Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we are at Al Dahira Turkish food restaurant. This is their menu, and this place is quite attractive because of their food, of course. And outside, they have this open place where you can see them doing their shawarma and things like that. So this is what we're planning to order. This is Turkish mixed grill. So it's mixed grill which comes with all kind of meat, but in the Turkish style. This is the place, which is big enough, and here is our mixed grill. Now these are all the sauces and different chutneys that you get with the grill. So this is how it is. French fries, I guess, I don't know, like I don't like French fries on the grills, but then I guess they're for decoration, or probably the kids like them. And there is a lot of bread there. This one is stuffed bread. Okay, so yeah, this is what it is. There is some meat inside. This meat is kind of kebab meat. And then this looks like chops, right? I'm a big fan of their chutneys, especially the mutabbal and hummus. Of course, hummus is something that you can get anywhere, but not all the things here. So they have a good mix of things, like, and then you can see the kebabs they have and the barbecue things that they have. So, and everything is so well cooked. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. So we're about to leave, and this is how it is from the outside. Just wanted to share this as well. And this is where we were, next to that fish aquarium. And this is the place that I was talking about, where you can see things happening and you can see them making the shawarma. So yeah, that's it.